Peace and gratitude, family, and welcome to another episode here on Cosmic Cell Foods, where we focus on entrepreneurship, health, and spiritual evolution. And in today's video, we're going to be teaching you how to multiply your wealth based off of the ancient principles of creation. So let's jump right in. So the first thing that's most important to understand is that all is energy. Everything down to the smallest fabric of existence is vibration, which is energy. This energy is the source of all creation, and that source of all creation creates creation itself. So there is the initial thought of all creation, and then there is the creation. And once that mental aspect of creation is created, now it can form into a physical manifestation. So now we're going to be showing you how to apply these same principles into your life and give you practical steps to do so. I'm going to lay out 3 aspects of source creation that if you apply these into your life, you will be able to generate the reality that you want for yourself. So the number 1 aspect to understand about source creation is the unlimited potential to attain all things that you desire. That limitless potential existed for source to be able to create creation, to create the universe itself. So now when you understand that an individual piece of that source creation exists within you as a soul, you can understand that you have this unlimited potential within you to create your personal universe the way that you see fit. So the most important understanding to have about this in relation to your own self is to realize that the potential that lies within you is unlimited, is limitless. You are unlimited to what you can create in reality. You simply just have to go for it. And this goes into the second aspect of creation, which is multiplication. The multiplication of the potential, or the multiplication of your worth, which is your potential. When you multiply your value, when you multiply your worth, you can begin to understand that the full potential that you have is now beginning to be worked out by you putting that energy into it. And this increases your potential for unlocking that unlimited aspect of yourself. So the multiplication of your potential, or the multiplication of your worth, is simply, in simple terms, you carrying out your purpose effectively and fully and just going forward with it, family. And this leads us over into the third and final aspect. And to do this multiplication of your purpose or your worth most effectively, you have to be operating completely in the purity of your soul. Now let's dive into that. Remember, your soul comes from the source of all creation. So this is an impenetrable force, a force so impenetrable that it devours any low vibrational thoughts, actions, or motives. And it's our duty, operating in that divine purity of the soul, to trample down on anything that tries to disrupt the purity of truth, which is you achieving the multiplication of your wealth, your health, and your spiritual evolution. So ultimately, you simply have to pay attention, put attention on what it is that you want to manifest, and then you have to begin to generate that manifestation. If you want more information about these types of topics, look at this video that we created about generative energy and how to generate the life that you want for yourself. And also check out this video about attention, so now you can apply both of these principles together with the information from this video, and you can become a powerhouse of manifestation for your own personal reality. So let's give a quick recap so we can effectively understand this information and immediately start to apply it. So now that we've mastered ourselves as the pure soul, the pure essence flowing through this body, this energy can now be multiplied throughout your reality. And only then will you be able to obtain the unlimited potential that your purpose has to offer. And this is how to multiply your wealth based off of the ancient principles of creation. If this video was valuable for you, go ahead and make sure you definitely take notes. Make sure you subscribe, because we're going to be picking one of our subscribers who watched the video entirely through and giving them access to our wealth accumulation mentorship, where we teach you how to create products to sell. We teach you how to create value in the marketplace. We teach you marketing and advertising, how to run Facebook ads, how to run Google ads, how to run TikTok ads. We teach you all of these things, as well as we get you certified to do everything. And one lucky subscriber is going to win that in the next video, and I hope it's you. So until the next video, family, Cosmic Cell Foods, we out. If you enjoyed this video, it's a probable guarantee that you're gonna like this one as well. So go ahead and give it a gander, and remember to keep it cosmic.